Do you have dozens or even hundreds of files with massive names? Instead of renaming them one by one, Windows 11 lets you rename an entire group of files in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you the fastest built-in method, no software required. Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper. If you are looking for quick Windows tips that save time, make sure to subscribe. Now let's batch rename your files. Here I have several images files that need better names. Instead of renaming each one individually, Windows can rename all of them at once. Select every file you want to rename. You can also hold the Control key if you only want selected files. For example, or you can select complete all the files. Then what you will do, simply select all the files, or you can use keyboard shortcut Control A. Right click on selected files and choose rename, or simply press keyboard shortcut key F2 from your keyboard and you will get this type of things. And here you can simply type images or image and then press enter. When you press enter, Windows automatically adds number to every file. This is the fastest way to organize photos, documents, screenshot and many other files. And that's it. How you batch rename files in Windows 11. It's quick built-in Windows and you can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Hello Helper, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Stay tuned.